In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on BCH future while examining Bitcoin money cost figure for 2023, and then some. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you ought to think about this and some other expectation while taking other factors into consideration, since foreseeing anything is an unpleasant undertaking, not to mention anticipating the fate of a novel, exceptionally unstable monetary resource like Bitcoin money. Presently, we should head into it. Before we dive profound into the Bitcoin money value forecast and answer questions on the off chance that BCH is a wise venture or not, for what reason will BCH succeed or fizzle, or for what reason will Bitcoin money value rise or drop, we should rapidly toss a look at what is BCH and its to-date history. Bitcoin money introduction in mid-2017. A gathering of engineers needing to expand Bitcoin's block size limit arranged a code change. The change, called a hard fork, produced results on 1 August 2017. Subsequently, the Bitcoin record called the blockchain and the cryptographic money split in two. Bitcoin money, cash, was made out of pressure among early Bitcoin financial backers over rising exchange expenses and progressively different sentiments on the best on-chain scaling answers for Bitcoin. Bitcoin money additionally focuses on severe adherence to what is referred to Satoshi's as vision for the first Bitcoin, seeing shared exchanges as the guiding principle recommendation of the organization and the variable that ought to be improved versus other contending factors like security. It contrasts from different renditions in that it empowered the increment of the block size from 1 MB to 8 MB. Its general objective is to expand the quantity of exchanges that can be handled by the organization, trusting that Bitcoin money will actually want to rival the volume of exchanges that industry monsters like PayPal and Visa can presently process. Bitcoin money value expectation. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its unsurpassed high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs at the point when add the latest implosions of immense industry players, FTX, Celsius, Luna and so on into the situation. The horizon is dim, and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling dangerous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an exceptionally unsafe play, and consequently the auction. Our algo still sees us some green in 2023. Particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2023 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far off and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days, with a smidgen of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a normal and unexpected crypto spike. Crypto Vault Group made a cost expectation model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and central evaluation of each task. Essentials that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, advertising endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical potential, and a few other exclusive elements created in our crypto lab. 2023 06-30, plus 6.08% $, 215.71, 2023 0701. Plus 3.29% $, 210.03, 2023 0702, plus 4.71% $, 212.91, 2023 0703, 0.68% $, 201.96, 2023 0704, 2.97% $, 197.29, 2023 0705. Plus 4.81% $, 213.11, 2023 0706, 3.99% $, 195.23, 2023 0707, plus 1.26% $, 205.90, 2023 07-08, plus 0.58% $, 204.51, 2023 07-09. 1.10% $, 201.09, 2023 07-10, plus 0.22% $, 203.78 Bitcoin. Money value forecast, 2023 high expansion and very perilous full scale. Circumstance pondered vigorously Bitcoin cost in 2022. At the point when we take the inside crypto issues with huge players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 isn't looking excessively great for the bulls. We will presumably see a ton of exhausting sideways cost activity with an inclination to slip lower with every minor market quake. Crypto Vault's forecast model brings market feeling into a record and responds in like manner. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023 July 11.11% $180.74. 2023 August 25.80% $150.87. 2023 September 22.27% $158.05. 2023 October 16.01% $170.78. 2023 November 16.66% $169.45. 2023 December 12.85% $177.21. 2024 Jan 10.09% $182.81. 2024 February 4.01% $195.1. 2024 blemish plus 4.58% $212.65. 2024 April plus 4.52% $212.52. 2024 May plus 10.67% $225.03. 2024 June plus 17.60% $239.12. BCH value expectation 2025. Our forecast model sees BCH coming to $386.34 in 2025. What will BCH be worth in 5 years? The cost of BCH in 5 years could lie around $365.86 as per Crypto Vault's forecast model. Bitcoin money value expectation 2030-2040. What Bitcoin money will be worth in 2030? Our determining model sees Bitcoin money coming to $965.84 in 2030. What Bitcoin money will be worth in 2040? Our gauging model sees Bitcoin money coming to $1,931.68 in 2040. Will Bitcoin money supplant, outperform, overwhelm Bitcoin? No, Bitcoin money won't supplant or overwhelm BTC. Is Bitcoin money worth purchasing? We are supporters of decently hazardous money management. Put the majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, half 35% in a container of enormous cap coins, and the rest in little ventures with tremendous potential gain. Along these lines, in this specific circumstance, Bitcoin money merits purchasing. Is Bitcoin money a wise speculation? Bitcoin money is, very much like any remaining digital currencies, an unsafe speculation. It has higher likelihood of going up than down in view of the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong